Today, we're going to talk about two important features in the EzyRetail POS system: trade-in and cash purchases. Let's begin with trade-in. Trade-in is a process where customers exchange their old items for a discount on new ones. A common example is when customers purchase gas. By returning the empty gas tank, they received a discount on the new one. This means the old item helps reduce the price of the new product. In the EzyRetail POS system, using the trade-in function is simple. First, we start by going to the sales screen and adding the items the customer wants to buy. Once you are done, proceed to the checkout page. On this page, there's a trade-in button in the center. Click it to open the trade-in section, where you can select the item the customer is trading in. Enter the trade-in value, and then continue to checkout. On the final payment screen, you'll see both the original price of the items and the trade-in amount. The system will automatically deduct the trade-in value from the total, allowing the customer to pay a lower final price for their purchase. That's all functions of trade-in. Now, let's move on to cash purchase. This function is used when a customer or supplier brings recyclable materials like old cardboard or other reusable items to the store. The shop evaluates the items based on weight or quantity and pays the seller directly. To use this feature in the EzyRetail POS system, first go to the main page and click on Cash Purchase. Then, click the New Cash Purchase button to create a new entry. On this page, select the item being sold to you and enter the price. If the price is based on weight, you'll need to input the correct weight as well. Next, we need to fill in the details of the person or company selling the items to you. Click the Supplier Info button to open the information form. The name field is required. If the seller is a company, you should also fill in their BRN, SSTNO, TIN, address, phone number, and email. To make this faster, you can use the MyTax QR code button on the bottom left to scan and automatically fill in the business information. If the seller is an individual, you can switch the BRN section to IC after entering the name. Or you can also scan their identity card using the Mikado CR button to pull their personal details into the system. Once all the information is filled out, click Confirm. Then proceed to the checkout page. If you are paying with cash, choose the cash option. If you are paying by bank transfer, choose Bank In. After selecting the payment method, click the payment button to complete the transaction. To view the completed transaction, simply select the appropriate date and click the Load button. The cash purchase record will be displayed for your review. That's all for today's tutorial video. Thank you.